Dear children, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is tens and hundreds. I will give you the new topic, that is dividing decimals by whole numbers. And dividing decimals by whole numbers. Here whole number is what? 7 and 1.33 divided by 7. See the first whole number part 1 and 7 into, that is not possible. So I need to put one 0 in the quotient and one point is here, I need to put that also. After that I need to consider first two digits together, that is 13. 7 ones are 7 and the remainder is what? 6. And the next digit down, that is 63. 7 nines are 63 and the remainder is 0. So here 1.33 divided by 7, answer is what? 0.19. And the next one is 0.65 divided by 5. See the first part is 0 only. 5 into, that is not possible. So 0 and after that 1 point. After that 6. 5 ones are 5 and the remainder is 1. And for this step I need to take next digit down, that is 15. 5 threes are 15 and the remainder is 0. So answer is what? 0.13. And the next one 4.8 divided by 12. Okay, and how is it possible? And the 4 is the whole number part, right? And 4, is it possible? 12 into, no. So I need to put one 0 in the quotient. After that I need to put this point also. After that I need to consider first two digits together, that is 48. 12 into 4 equals 48. Remainder is 0. Answer is 0.4. Okay, is it? And the next one is, see this. Here divide until the remainder is 0, that I will show you. I will show you how to do this. See this 3.5 divided by 2. See the first digit is what? Whole number part, that is 3 and 2 ones are 2 and the remainder is 1. And the next digit down, just before I need to put one point here and I can take the next digit down, that is 15 and 2 sevens are 14. See this, and 14, the remainder is what? 1. It is 1. And see I need to make the remainder as 0. How is it possible? I need to add one 0 in the dividend. See, add one 0 in the dividend does not change the value of the dividend. So I can add it like that. So 1 0 is there and remainder is 1. After that, and here the remainder is 1, I need to take next digit down. Next digit down, that is what? See this 0. And it will become what? 10. And 2 into which number equals 10? 2 5s are 10. So the remainder is what? 0. See, first we got remainder as 1. After that I need to add one 0 in the dividend. Then it will become what? After that I took that 0 down and it will become 10. And 10 minus 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is what? 0. Okay. And the next one is 90.3 divided by 6. See the first digit is what? 9. 6 ones are 6 and the remainder is 3. Next digit down, that is 0. 6 5s are 30. Okay, 0. And see the next digit is what? 3 only. Just before I need to put one point here because point is here. After that I can take next digit down. See this one is, we don't have any other digit. We can't take any other digit down and the remainder is what? 0. The remainder is 3 only. What I want to do? I need to add one 0 in the dividend. Is it clear? Add one 0 in the dividend, that I have told you, right? And after that, I need to take 0 also down. But just before, I need to put one 0 in the quotient, right? Then only I can take, see, I need to put one 0 in the quotient, then also I can take one more digit in the same step, right? That is 30. And 6 5s are 30. See this, and the remainder is 0. And the answer is 15.05 is the answer. Is it clear, children? And first digit is 9, 6 ones are 6, remainder is 3. And the next digit down, that is what? 30. 6 5s are 30, remainder is 0. But next digit down, that is 3. 3 is the remainder because we don't have any other digit. Okay, and 3, we can't do anything with this 3 because you know what's the reason? That this 3 is less than the divisor only. What we want to do? We can't do anything, that's why we need to consider 3 as a remainder. But our aim is we need to make the remainder as 0. How is it possible? I need to add one 0 in the dividend. Then I can take that 0 also in the same step. But I can't take the 2 digits in the same step, but just before I need to put what? 0 in the quotient. I put one 0 in the quotient, after that I can take this 0 also down. Then it will become 30, 6 5s are 30 and the remainder is 0. Answer is what? 15.05. And the next one is 17.2 divided by 8. Here first digit, we can't do anything with the first digit, so we need to put one 0. After that I need to consider 2 digits together, 8 2s are 16 and remainder is 1. Okay, and after that I need to put one point in the quotient, then only I can take the next digit down, that is 2. It will become 12. 8 into which number equals 12? 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. And the remainder is, see, 4. Okay, and so here remainder is 4. I need to make it as 0. How? I need to add one 0 in the dividend. Okay, after that I need to take that 0 down only, right? Okay, I'll take it down. The 0 down. It will become what? 40. Okay, and 8 into which number equals 40? 8 5s are 40 and the remainder is what? 0. 2.15. 2.15 is the answer. Answer is 2.15. See, the next one is 3.1 divided by 4. How is it possible? And see, 3 is less than the divisor. So, I need to put one 0 in the quotient. After that, I need to put this point. Then I can consider first 2 digits as together only. 31. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. So, I need to take 4 7s are 28. And the remainder is what? Remainder is 3 only, right? Okay. And here remainder is 3. So, I want to do what? I need to add one 0 in the dividend. Okay, and I can take the 0 also down. Then it will become what? 30. Okay, and 7 into which number equals 30? Say 4 into which number equals 30? 4 7s are 28. Okay, again I got 2 as the remainder. Again I need to add one 0 in the quotient, in the dividend. I can add one 0 in the dividend. After that, I can take that 0 also down because I got remainder 2 here, right? Okay, and 0, 0, I can take it down and it will become what? 5, 20. See this, children? First one is 3 only, first number is 3 only. I can't do anything with this 3. So, I need to put one 0 in the quotient. After that, I need to put this point here in the quotient. After that, I need to consider 31 together. first two digits together, and 4 sevens are 28 and the remainder is 3, and the next digit down, that is 0, and it will become what? I add one 0 here because there is no 0, right? Here remainder is 3 only, so I need to add one 0 in the dividend. It will become what? 30. Okay, and 4 sevens are 28 and the remainder is 2. Again I got remainder. What I want to do? I want to make the remainder as 0. How? I add one more 0 in the dividend. Nothing will happen. You can add any number of zeros in the dividend for getting the remainder 0. I add one more 0. Then what will happen? I take that digit also down. It will become 20. And 4 5s are 20. And the remainder is what? 0. I can check my answer is correct or wrong. 0.775. See, I have told you, right, for the multiplication, we no need to consider the decimal point for the multiplication. You can write it as whole number. After that 775 into 4 only. 4 5s are 20. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 is 30 and 3 is here. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 equals 28 plus 3 equals 31. See this. After that I need to put decimal point. How much decimal places are here? See, 0.775. 0.775, 3 decimal places are here. So here also I need to put 3 decimal places. Answer is what? 3.100. See, the dividend is what? 3.100. Our answer is correct, right? The question is correct, right? Okay. And the next one is 2.67 divided by 5. Okay. And first one is what? First digit is 2. I can't do anything with this digit. So I need to put one 0 in the quotient and one point also. After that I need to consider first two digits together. 5 5s are 25. And the remainder is 1. And the next digit down, that is 5 3s are 15 and the remainder is 2. Our aim is what? We need to make the remainder as 0. I need to add one 0 in the dividend. After that I can take this 0 down. It will become 5 4s are 20 and the remainder is 0. See this? Okay? And shall we check? See, 0.534. No need to consider the decimal point for the multiplication. So we can take it as whole number. 5 4s are 22 and 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17 1 and 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. See this. And how much decimal places I need to put? See, here we have 3 decimal places. So we need to put here also. So we got the same answer. That's why your answer is correct. Okay. And thank you, children.